Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view live videos on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to view live videos on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And normally your live videos of your friends will be available over here just beside your story, as the stories are over here. But in order to view other live videos from over here guys, first you will be required to go or make a live video. So to do that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and let's just make a demo live. So to do that, let's swipe to the story or the live section, and let's go live for about 2 seconds. And after you go live from over here guys, you'll be required to share this video to somebody, and let's do that by tapping on the airplane icon at the right side of the screen. And I'll be just sending it to my friend. And after sending to your friend guys, end this live and end video. Let's discard this for a moment and let's discard it, and let's go to the messenger section of Instagram. To do that, tap at the top right corner of the screen where there is the messenger icon, and over here all of your messages will be available. Now in order to proceed, let's go to that friends chat box whom we had sent a live. Now over here guys, you can see your live videos over here. Tap on that live video, and you can see guys that live video has ended. It's showing us the live video ended now, and when it shows us guys, it also shows the current live videos available on Instagram, and you will be able to view the live videos. And guys, this is how to view live videos on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.